Hello friends, welcome to Waves Learning Center. In this video, we learn how to set up the Java development environment so that we can start working with code in Java. There are various ways to install Java in your computer. One way is to start by just installing the JDK. For that, we will be searching just the JDK keyword on Google. Here it is. We visit the link. Here, we get to download the entire Java development kit. This is perfect when you want to work with Java over the command prompt. The approach that we recommend is using an integrated development environment. You have two options like the Eclipse. The Eclipse is an integrated development environment used in computer programming and is the most widely used Java IDE. So this is perfect for a Java development environment. The other option is NetBeans. Similarly, NetBeans is also an integrated development environment for Java. NetBeans allows rapid modular development. Applications can be developed from a set of modular software called modules. So we can switch over to the NetBeans page. Here you will see you have options to download the latest version and the stable 8.2 version. We recommend the 8.2 version. So basically what you have to do to set up a Java development environment is to install the JDK on your computer and then install the IDE of your choice. The problem with this procedure is that there could be a probable clash between JDK and the current version that you are installing. Java has a beautiful solution for this. To install the JDK with NetBeans bundle, just search JDK with NetBeans on Google. You can click on this link, it brings you to the Oracle page. Based on your operating system, select the appropriate binary. Let's wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, let's start the installation process. Let's start with the installation. Let's select the address where we want the JDK installed, the address for NetBeans, and the address location where NetBeans will try to search for the JDK. Let's leave the check for updates on. Once the installation is complete, the wizard checks for updates. Let's check off contribute to NetBeans project for now and click on finish. The installation is complete. Now that our installation is complete, let's check our NetBeans installation. Welcome to the NetBeans interface. This is the startup page. You can access demos and tutorials for different languages. This is where we would like to end the video. There is a task for all the viewers. What you can do is you can create a new project. Name it My First Java Project. Click on Finish. NetBeans creates all the files that you need to start your project right away. Here's your .java file. I want you to type this simple line of code with your name here. Save the code and run it. That's your output. All you have to do is take a screenshot. After you're taking the screenshot, visit Waves Learning Java group on Facebook, and in the discussion area, post your screenshot. You can check in at Waves Learning Center and post it. Thank you.